If you're trying to connect Galaxy Buds with your iPhone but it's not showing up in the Bluetooth menu, so you are not able to connect it with the iPhone, in this video we will show you how you can fix this problem. Let's check it out. This problem mainly happens if the Galaxy Buds is already connected to another phone. Like we have previously connected these buds to this Android phone. Open settings on the phone you have previously connected the Galaxy Buds with. Tap Connections. Tap Bluetooth. Now open settings on iPhone. Tap Bluetooth. You will see Galaxy Buds under Available Devices. But if you don't see it, simply close the charging case, then open it again. Now tap on Galaxy Buds. It will be connected to your iPhone, but it's not ready for use. To make it ready, open App Store. Search for Galaxy Buds Plus. Install the app. Open the app. Tap OK. Tap on what type of buds you are using. Tap Connect. Tap Got It. Tap Confirm. Now the Galaxy Buds are connected to your iPhone and ready to use. This is the way you can fix Samsung Galaxy Buds not pairing with iPhone and start using it. Thank you.